Please stop. Don't trade today until you see this BG001 is here. Let's break down the markets for you. Let's see what the market has for us. You already know what we're doing. We do our daily analysis, and no, and we 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 see what market has for us. Maybe we are in bullish or we are in bearish, and we are going to wait for liquidity. But as for me, to all my subscriber, please, I really appreciate continue. And for those of you that my video just pop up to your screen, please kindly press the subscription button so that we learn from all the other video, the next video. So, and for those of you that is using my signal, please kindly don't forget to be using proper risk management. So you understand, and don't forget to put on the stop loss and the TP. And don't and if you want to help, I'm just trading with my foreignness competition account because I'm not with the capital. I'm not have capital to trade my live account anymore because my live account have reached drawdown. So I'm finding capital to push it. So if you want to help me, maybe $10, $100, or $1,000, so I'm open. So kindly DM me for you see my check my bio. You see my Telegram link there. Also kindly DM me also to the comment section. I will reply you. So let's quickly move into the Forex factory. Let's see what we have today. Let's see what chart what the fundamental analysis are for maybe there's high impact news or no. Today is 23, which is Thursday. As you can see, on Euro, there is news on Euro, yes. So it's a print out. So on GBP, there's news that's print out. On USD, there's no news today. There's no news today. But what is happening? We see on the day on Tuesday, they said Vice President for United States of America is traveling to Pakistan to settle the to do a meeting with the Iran about the almost river that they closed. But definitely that meeting couldn't hold yesterday. Did not the Vice President for USC did not travel yesterday anymore. So which means there is still fear. There is still fear inside the market. So let's quickly go into the chart and see what the chart has for all. And see what the chart has for us. So let's see what the chart has for us. You already know we started from gold, and this is gold. From daily time frame as usual, this is our swing high, this is our swing low here, and this is the recent swing low, the internal swing low that we are. So let's quickly go into the 4 hour time frame. This is the 4 hour time frame. This is what we are seeing. You can see. As for me, this is change of character. This is break of structure, and this is the what this is the higher low that do all this higher and make it break of structure. And you can this is what we have again after the liquidity swept. This is liquidity swept, which we can do. Market give us another what break of structure, and this is the higher low that give us this higher high. In which this is demand. All this one that is happening is liquidity. So let's now move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is telling us. But as for me, on 4 hours time frame, this candle, as for me, it's not a liquidity sweat. Seriously, it's not a liquidity sweat. But this trade, I take my TP yesterday. But there's the reason why I not do video yesterday is because there's no network yesterday, so I couldn't make a video to do it. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. If we want to redefine this demand, we can redefine this demand to here. You can see if you want to redefine demand, and all this one will serve as liquidity market is going to swept. So definitely we are still expecting the market to come here before we can see the uptrend. We can see the uptrend, but because on 4 hour time frame, that we can do is not the liquidity swept. So we are expecting the market to come back here again. When we define this is where we're expecting the market. Let's see if the market can sweep this liquidity again on 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, the reason why I say this is not a liquidity sweep is because this for the first candle used to sweep the first week candle like this. We see the first week candle yesterday and the second week but this one is the second week candle that swept it. So let's see what we are having today. Let's see if the market can strike this liquidity and continue the downtrend. This is what I'm looking. But the reason why our TP will be large because this serve as liquidity itself. This serve as liquidity for me. On 1 hour time frame, this serve as liquidity, you can see, and our TP will be here. There's our stop loss, sorry, will be here. Market may sweep this liquidity small, mitigated this space before continuing the uptrend. Because this place serve as liquidity on 1 hour time frame also. So market may touch this place before continuing the uptrend. So our TP will be here. Our stop loss will be here, and our TP will be up on 4 hour time frame. We are still taking this are where our TP will be is. This way we are taking our TP seriously. But let's just be patient. Let's see what happens if market can show this liquidity again before continuing the uptrend. So let's see what the market has for. This is what I'm seeing. Let's see 15-minute time frame. This is what 15-minute time frame is trying to tell us. So let's see what 15 minutes is trying to tell us if the market can show this liquidity before continuing the uptrend. So we are still taking another buy from here. On 1 hour time frame, we are still taking another buy from here. Seriously. We are still taking buy from here. So let's move to sleeper. Let's see what sleeper is trying to do for us. This is sleeper also from daily time frame. This is our swing high and this is our swing low. And this is our internal swing low now. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see what 4 hour time frame is trying to do. And this is the supply we are expecting the market to mitigate. And what is happening now? If we read the structure, this is the change of character. This is break of structure. Market has given us what liquidity swept. Definitely market is coming back here to give us valid uptrend. This is where we are. This is where we are buying. This is where we are buying. Our TP will be here. This is where we are buying. We are buying here again from here, and our stop loss TP will be here. This is our TP, our stop loss will be here. So definitely the buy is valid. All these ones are liquidity for 4 hours time frame. All these ones are liquidity market is going to sell. Seriously. All these ones are liquidity. You can see the print on 4 hour gold. Yeah, the exactly print candle that it printed for us. That some we took it as liquidity swept is the one that printed on the USD. That's why I say this thing is not a liquidity swept for me. The first week candle, the first like the first week candle. This candle have already closed and this green quickly close. That is not a valid liquidity swept. If you say this red is close with weak candle and this one is not, the weak candle does not exceed that first week candle, definitely you can say it is liquidity swept. But for now, this is not liquidity swept. So market is coming back here to continue the bullish. And this is apply risk management. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. You can see market is going to send this liquidity before you continue the option. Seriously, because demand are sitting here. The fear that is happening in the market is the one that is creating the market like this. And as for me, I'm expecting the market here before I can see uptrend because this is where the demand is, and this is where the demand are waiting for. So demand are sitting here, demand trader are sitting here to buy the market uptrend. So this is what we are having on gold and silver. We are still expecting set buy. Let's move to US 30. Let's see what US 30 has for us. This is US 30 from daily time frame. This is our swing high. and these are our swing low here. And let's read the structure now. And for us that we are reading the structure, this is what this change of character, break of structure. Definitely, we are still. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. After market mitigated here, but this one does not give us this break of structure set. And this one is our trade yesterday on Monday. This break of structure here, you can see. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's 1 hour time. This is 1 hour time frame. This is where we are taking the trade on 1 hour time frame. Market showed it again. So market came back to this place again, but as for me, this trade of liquidity, let's go to 4 hour time frame. So this is a straight of liquidity trade. As for me, this market is already it's this one. You can see this one is not a liquidity trade. So market came back to it to trade this liquidity. And on 4 hour time frame, this first candle extended and this second is triangle. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. We continue the bullish. We can continue the bullish. This is a bullish market. You will see it is a bullish market since we did not see opportunity. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame, and there's nowhere to buy this market seriously. I do not see where to buy this, how to buy this market. But on 1 hour time frame, this is what we can do on 1 hour time frame. If we want to buy this market, we wait for markets here to break and retest seriously. But now the market is not giving me valid strength. It's uptrend. The market is in uptrend, but it's not giving me the opportunity to take the trade. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Maybe you can see opportunity on one. There's no opportunity on 1 hour time frame. Sef. So this is what we are still buying. The market is buying, but there's no way to take the market. Let's move to UJ. Let's see what UJ has for us. This is UJ. You can see this is the swing high, this is the swing ground. We are in break of structure, and this is what the market is. This is the resistance that puts the market down, and this is the internal break of structure change of character. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see what 4 hour time frame is telling to tell us. This is 4 hour time frame, and you can see all these ones are liquidity because market has not touched this FEG. So we are still expecting to touch this FEG or this demand zone before you can see any bullish. So all this that is playing is just liquidity market is going to sweat. So these are liquidity market needs to sweat. So all this one are liquidity market needs to sweat. All this one are liquidity. You can see market need to sweat before going up. This is what you are still having. So let's be expecting bearish down before you can see uptrend. So this trend is still valid. This trend is still valid because liquidity has not been stretched away. So this trend is still valid. Let's just stay ahead of it. This may serve as inducement sell. So let's just be focused on this market. We are still buying. So the market may just touch it tomorrow Friday before anything. Because Trump used to play with trade, with markets on Friday. That the market will just favor the other pairs and during the weekend it will just decide another thing. So let's see euro. This is euro. This is on daily time frame. You already know this is break of structure and we are in this swing high and this is swing low. And this is what liquidity. This is a liquidity swept market. This is a liquidity swept market. Already see, and we are still what we are in uptrend. As for me, we are still in uptrend. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. You can see change of character, break of structure. On 4 hour time frame, this is the break of structure, and this is what. So market is coming to this demand zone. Let's see if this demand zone is showing. We try to push the market up. So we are still buying. Let's consider we are still buying from here. We are still buying the market. The market is still buying seriously. We are still buying the market because this is the break of structure and this is the demand zone. Let's give all this break of structure. Definitely we are still buying. If this market was not buying, definitely market is coming here to show all this liquidity before we continue trend. But this break of structure is going to buy. Let's move to UJ. Let's see what UJ has for us. If your 1 hour time frame, you can see all these ones are liquidity market need to sweat. So let's just be focused and see what the market has for us. Let's move to UJ. Let's see what UJ has for us on UJ. This is daily time frame, and this is what this our swing high and this our swing low. You can see after market mitigated this demand, it's trying to give us valid uptrend. You can see it's trying to give us valid uptrend. So on 4 hour time frame, you can see what the market the recent candle that gold printed for us. You can see on 4 hour time frame, the first week candle does not exceed does not strip this liquidity. Sorry, the second one as well. So definitely this is not a liquidity straight. Market go up and continue to come back to strip this liquidity. And you can see this is a valid liquidity straight on the market. This is the valid that is valid liquidity straight. The reason why market expected this FPG, the reason why markets respected this FEG try to come down, but there's other block that push it up. So the market is in what? The market is in uptrend. The market is in uptrend, and this is what we are seeing here. I will say this is we're seeing change of character for me. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This trade with two we analyzed on Monday. I think yes, on Monday. Yeah, or Tuesday, sorry. But it does not mitigated it. So this is break of structure. This is what the market is giving us now, change of character. And market is the what is in uptrend. So let's just find way to take this opportunity. This one is still coming back, but we are taking the recent trend now. On 1 hour time frame, we are having change of character here. If market came back, this is where we are taking our uptrend again. But now let's just be patient on this. We are having change build construction here and break of structure over there. And this is what market is giving us. But as for me on 4 hour time frame, the change of character is here. So all this one we saw as liquidity market is coming back here. But as for now, let's be taking this uptrend. Let's move to 50-minute time frame. Let's see what 50-minute time frame is trying to tell us. This 50-minute time frame. And this is what the market is splitting for us of 50-minute time frame. This is break of structure. So if market definitely come back, it's coming here to show this liquidity. It's coming here to show this liquidity. So we are expecting the market to come here again. So we are expecting the market to come there over there again to show this liquidity. Let's see 4 hours. This is 4 hours, and this are liquidity sitting here. You can see this is a liquidity sweat. So if the market can come back, but this market is going to push it down because there's what liquidity sweat here. So then on 1 hour time frame, this is what we are having. Let's see if the market can come back here before we can see a uptrend. Before we can see a uptrend. So I'm expecting the buy from here. Let's move to GJ. This is GJ. This is what GJ is giving us. These are swing high, and these are swing low. All these one are liquidity. We want to move to 4 hours. Let's 4 hours. This is a liquidity. This is a liquidity key level liquidity in 4 hours. You can see this is a market liquidity sweat. So market came back to it, come down here, and what is it now? Market give a change of character here. So we see if we can see a downtrend from this market. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is trying to tell us. This is 1 hour time frame. This break of total, break of uptrend. You can see market give a break of total uptrend, and this is what this is key level. You can see this is a resistance key level, but we do not know what the market is trying to do. Maybe it's going, but as for me, I'm still expecting bearish. I'm still expecting the bearish. Let's see if this bearish can work. Yeah, I'm still expecting the break because this way has come to key level. But if you see markets breaking it, it will break it and retest and continue the uptrend. Well, as for now, let's see maybe we can see a downtrend from this market. This is what I'm seeing on GU. So let's go to crypto. Let's see what BTC is trying to tell us. From daily time frame, this is the key level we are expecting the market to touch before anything. And you can see market is giving us internal. So let's see 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what the market is having for us. This is a valid break of short-term 4 hour time frame. This is a valid break of short-term. Excuse me, sorry for that. And this is the demand zone that gave us this. This is the demand zone that gave us that option. As for me, this result as inducement for me. Market need to sweat before anything, before going up. So I'm still expecting bullish from here. Let's see if we can. Let's see the next supply zone to expect the bullish. Market has not this supply zone, so we are still expecting the bullish here. This supply zone. That is it. So let's just wait. On 4 hour time frame, this is the next supply zone we are expecting the market to react to. Let's see if the market will react here for and trend. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. All this ones have as liquidity for me. Break of structure, change of character, market material this one is as liquidity because this is the demand, this is the way the buyer and this is the way the buyer enter. This one is as liquidity. Market need to sell before continuing uptrend. Let's move to interior. Let's see what interior has for us. This is an interior from daily time frame. This is a break of structure, and this is the demand that gives us this break of structure on daily time frame. But let's see what the market is trying to do on 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour time, this break of structure on 4 hour time frame, and this is the demand. And market reacted here. This is break of structure, internal break of structure you can see, and we have what? Internal break of structure here, and we have demand here. So this is a liquidity. So let's see market is showing so the liquidity and continue the uptrend. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what this 1 hour time frame. So let's see if this demand can hold the buyer. If this demand, there is demand here, there is demand also here. So let's see the one that the buyer we anticipated and continue the uptrend on 4 hour time frame, and which we have what? We have key level here. We have key level here. So let's see if the buyer can active. Is active. So let's see what the gold is trying to tell us. Gold is trying we are still in buy, we are still in buy on gold. On gold, we are still buying seriously. Just focus, we are still buying on gold. So I'm expecting the market to shut down this and continue the uptrend. On silver also, I'm expecting the market to mitigate this before anything. So this is what I have today. Please kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on all the notification button. So if you like this analysis, kindly comment and and see and wait for the. If you like it, kindly comment and wait for the next one. Thanks, peace and love. Have a successful day ahead. Have a peaceful day ahead. Thanks.